Yes, people, it's Packetson, and welcome back to the fucking show, son. Been away this weekend, hence lack of uploads, but we're back today. Okay, I thought we'd start off the week with some fucking savage, brutal knockouts. Because why fucking not, mate? There's nothing better than watching a couple lads scrap it out whilst you sat there in the comfort of your own home, just having a good time, laughing at their expense. The video's called Brutal KO and Fights of Top Dog, Bare Knuckle Boxing Championship. Good stuff, mate. If you want to get yourself some criminal damage merch, they've got loads of fucking good shit on the site. You get 25% off with my fucking code. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get on with this fucking video. Hopefully it's good. Calm down, lads. Fucking hell. Did you hear that? Mate, we're 2 seconds into the video. Can we not have like a little intro or something? You know what I mean? Get me prepared. Mate, that was alright. Mate, oh, was that like a little intro then? To really get us ready for it. Mate, that was savagery. The size of the cunt he knocked out as well. Look. It almost looked fake, you know what I mean? Like, and you could hear the, that was horrible. It was great, don't get me wrong, but it was horrible. Fuck that. Fuck that. Alright. Okay. Is this the same fight, I take it? Go on, lads. Oh, come on. We already know the outcome. What is he doing? The fuck sort of stance was that? Ooh. Mate. But I know what's about to happen, so it doesn't really matter, does it? That was pretty sick, though. These guys can fucking move, mate. Oh, you're alright, up in there. Like you saw a fucking ghost or something. Hold on. See that? What was he doing? Oh. Did you see that? He started having a fucking little sparring session with Casper, mate. Look. Oh. Alright. Oh. Oh. Okay, good times. Well done. Go on, lads. Oh, he's a big lad. Come on. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, oh, he ate that. Are you allowed to kick? Oh, he went to kick him and he was like, yeah, no, sorry about that. Mate, they are fucking slugging each other. Just another breed, these lads. You don't catch me doing that. Mate, they are slugging. Ooh, nice little jab. Fucking hell. He went for the fake, but he mugged himself off there. Oh, knocked his tooth out, probably. Bit his tongue, probably. Something. Is that it? What happened? Don't understand. That was a slugfest, though. Slugfest. Can't believe that. We got that man looks like fucking Bruce Lee. Oh. Love his little fucking stance there. It's next level. Really gets in the pocket and just fucking slugs the cunt. I keep seeing him do them shoulders. You know when they get in the clinch? And then he's doing that to him. That just fucking reminds me of fucking... Remember when Conor McGregor did that to Cowboy Cerrone? That was fucking brutal, mate. Broke his nose, I think. I'm doing that because I'm worried that it's freezing. Come on, Bruce Lee. He does love Bruce Lee, doesn't he? Come on, son. Mate, the combos. Oh, mate. Who's going to take this? I'm going for Bruce. The other guy's a lot bigger, but I'm going for Bruce. I wonder if they're drug tested. I bet they ain't. Love to know if they're drug tested. Just get on the PEDs. Look, Bruce. What did he say? I don't know. Go on, Bruce. Oh! Oh! Uppercut. Double uppercut. Oh! Oh! Shit! Alright. Mate, fucking slugfest. Oh no, you can't do it. He went... Bent the cunt over and started fucking donkey punching him in the back of the head. Like, fucking hell, mate. Oh, Jesus Christ, I have a day off, mate. Surely that's not allowed. Mate, mad respect. Imagine doing that. I wonder who won. Bruce. It's got to be Bruce. I didn't see the whole fight, but... Okay. Alright. That's a cool little prop, mate. Oh, here we go. Mate, look at... Jeez, Jesus. Just Jesus. Just... You couldn't pay me to get in there with one of them. You couldn't pay me. Fucking hell. Power of these lads. Oh. Mate. Mate, are you alright? Mate, he's fucking... Mate. He's knackered, bless him. What I love about it is they just don't stop. That guy is just gonna knock out from exhaustion. Mate, he's literally KO by exhaustion. That's ridiculous. Look at my man. What the fuck's he doing in ridiculous trousers? Looks like fucking Aladdin, the cunt. Go on, mate. He doesn't want to. Look, he's fucking knackered. He's like, mate, could you have just called it, please? Deep down, he wanted him to call it. He's got a lot of muscle on him, though. No wonder he's so knackered. Right. Pretty dark in there, isn't it? My money's on my man. Russian bastards, man. Crazy. Go on, geezer. My man's on grey joggers. Ooh. It's just so brutal, isn't it? You can hear them punching their fucking skin. It's like... You alright down there, mate? Brutal, mate. Oh, okay. See? It's the hat, mate. That's how I knew it was going to win. That ridiculous hat. The little dudes are always interesting and exciting because the fucking speed is ridiculous. They don't tend to be knockouts though, but we'll see. The fucking speed on these little bastards, you know what I mean? Oh! Oh! Nearly. He had him fucking rocked, mate. Go on, son. Fucking hell. Trooper, mate. Just keeps coming back up, but he ain't gonna last much longer. It's not, oh, fucking hell. Someone have a word. Fucking hell. Mate, props to my man. Look, he's going back for him. Alright. That was obvious. Yeah, mate. Okay. I need another KO, mate. I want to see some geezer get fucked up. Alright. Get up, son. Oh, that's a weird... He's got a weird punching technique, that guy. A weird punching technique. Like this. Right? See that? Weirdest punching I've ever seen. You don't want to get sparked out by him. He can't even throw a punch. Look. Well, clearly he can, but it's very unorthodox. Oh! Weird. Get up, man. Get up. Yeah, get up. You're fine. Oh. It's interesting, isn't it? His technique. But it seems to work. It lands. Not seen anything like that before. Oh, he just... It's the weirdest thing ever, this one is. Look, yes, look. Look. That's a slap. That was a slap. Fucking did a little Nate Diaz. He keeps getting little mini KOs. He's been knocked out like 7 times. Look, he's slapping him. He's mugging him off. I don't understand this fight. It's the weirdest fight I've ever seen. That guy was the weirdest fighter ever. Oh. See, this is interesting because he's massive compared to my man, but my man is absolutely owning him. Oh! Mate, that audience is close. If they ain't careful, they're going to take one to the fucking chin as well. Do you see that? Fucking hell. Oh, go on, son. What is up with this? Oh, slumped him. Slumped him. Fucking brutal, mate. They don't put it up, so we will. Brutal knockout. I mean, he was already fucked, but look at this for a fucking... Savage. Savage. But beautiful. Alright. Alright, no need for that, you can't. First knockout was brutal. Last knockout was brutal. The middle fights were just savage slugfests. These guys are different breeds. It's not something that you would ever see myself entertaining. You know, I'd use gloves and a fucking helmet. Head guard or a fucking helmet, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's it really, mate. Subscribe to the channel. Instagram.